We'll try to do it supine with him laying face up first. Just relax. One more here. Good. Cool. Now for the Ystrap. We'll put you in the chair and double check that in a second here. Go ahead, lift your head up. Good. Head back down. Lift up again. Perfect. So we're going to start with doing a little decompression, just trying to open up the joint spaces. The facet joints are the ones in the back. When you put your head back into extension, that's when you kind of stress them. Teeth clenched together so you're not biting on your tongue. Good. Just going to hold a little pressure there. Try to open it up. A little shake. Good. Nice. How was that?
Good.
Paul is a Ystrap pro by now. Come on up. Let's double check that neck in the chair here. I like the shirt. Yeah, man. 'Tis the season. Good. Yeah, we got it all. Awesome. There we go. Sweet. Good to go, buddy.